In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a Swiss ball hip thrust. So I'm going to be doing this side on so you can best see. The first thing I want you to do is find a space where you've got plenty of room because you're going to be walking away from the Swiss ball when you get into your start position. So I want you to start off in the middle of the Swiss ball, and you'll notice as I walk away from the Swiss ball, I'm now coming from a position where the Swiss ball's in contact with my glutes, now my lower back, and I'm going to keep walking out, feet hip width apart until just my head and the very top of my upper back is in contact with this Swiss ball. Now I'm going to bring my hips up, squeezing the glutes as hard as I can. You, with the hand position, can put it anywhere, on your chest, by your side, whatever's comfortable. What I want you to do is drop the hips down slowly, so hips towards the floor, and then as you come up, you're going to push through your heels, squeezing the glutes, your bum as hard as you can, and then slowly back down under control. So hips come down, hips come back up, pushing through my heels, and as you come to the top, make sure that you hold for at least 2 seconds so you can get that contraction. So hips up, big squeeze at the top, slowly back down under control, and you'd repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. Once you're done, you do the opposite. You're going to walk back, and now I'm back to my start position where I'm in the middle of the Swiss ball. Again, you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how you do a Swiss ball hip thrust.